This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. Well, here guys, compares to the Australian dollar, it's really nothing that could make us happy right now. In general, the long-term analysis still stands the same, since the major idea that we now have on the gold market stands with this thrust up. On the weekly chart it looks a bit more smooth and fast, and our major core for trading here is still the expectation of the weekly Brent buy trade. And by yesterday's close, by the end of the previous week, market has reached the 50% support of whole move to the upside. Okay, that's the major fib level. And that also has happened at the first close below the 3x3 on the monthly time frame chart. So the recent week was the first week when the market has shown the close below the 3x3 moving average. So we could say that the minimum requirements for starting of the Brent body trade has been completed. And right now we'll be watching for a reversal pattern somewhere in this area on the daily time frame chart, on the intraday charts. But the problem stands right now with the moment that in fact guys, now we do not have any patterns on the daily time frame chart, on the intraday chart. So all that we see right now here is this moving to the downside, and that market has reached the significant support. That's confluence support. That's an area that stands slightly lower. Market stands slightly lower than the monthly pivot point, and in general we could say that market is still stands with this confluence support. If you remember, that is our primary area where we have intention to watch for reversal patterns on the daily time frame chart. But unfortunately guys, as I said, right now we would not see something special, but because market just has reached this area, so it just has no time to show something more, because it's only on Friday has reached the lower bottom of this confluence support. What is interesting here is that this thrust down itself could provide some shorter term patterns, because this thrust also could be used for the Jod Napoli trading. As you can see, it has a bit less than required number of downward candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bars. But in general, this thrust down could be acceptable for the scalp Jod Napoli patterns. For example, this could be the subject for Brent body sell short term if market will show some minor bounce here or something of that sort. So you can see potentially gold has the setups for different kind of traders. If you're a scalp trader, you could use this thrust. If you trade on daily time frame chart, you could use the weekly Brent body or something of that sort. But unfortunately right now, as market just has finished this action, we do not have the clear patterns. So on the 4-hour time frame chart is also all that we have is just this divergence with the MACD, but we have discussed this within the previous whole week. We see the sequence of the lower lows and lower highs, and the first task, the first moment that we need to see is the breaking of this tendency. So when we will see the first high that will be greater than the previous swing down previous high, we could say yes, maybe this has started. This that we're expecting to get some patterns is starting to form. But right now I do not see anything of that sort. But this absolutely doesn't mean that we'll have to ignore the gold market and should not pay any attention to it. Absolutely not. Absolutely vice versa. So in this current situation when the market maybe stands right now at the short-term bottom, we need to pay some additional attention to this market, because on every day we could get the pattern. That's why the gold market should stand at our very careful attention, careful monitoring of this. market. On the hourly time frame chart, I have drawn just the assumption, so maybe we will get something of that sort. So take a look at that current bottom that looks very similar, reminds some sort of the clearing. You can see that it looks like the market has washed out something and returned right back up. Maybe this is really the truth, but that stands approximately 1290. Difficult to suggest that here market has found something to clear out. Not quite suitable area for some significant wash and rinse or something of that sort. But anyway, we do not see such sort of the candles anywhere here, only in this area. And this bottom stands at 1.7 of this previous retracement. So maybe we will get some kind of the reverse head and shoulders. Market will show this area, return it back up, or something of that sort. Maybe we now stand on the way to the pattern, but it's very difficult to call what pattern this will be, because here also could be the 3 drive. Maybe market will form here as another butterfly or something of that sort. But anyway, I think that market is approaching to the period. Maybe this will be right in the starting of the next week, where we could get a lot of patterns. The first market could start from this thrust down. Maybe it will form some sort of the brand bottom. That could be the part of something bigger or some bigger pattern. Maybe this will be the part of the reversal pattern here on the lower time frame chart or something of that sort. I don't know. But the conclusion is as follows. Since we have the clear weekly setup that has been formed, we should pay additional attention to the gold market in the coming week, because we could get the significant and clear patterns of the different kind. Is on the daily time frame chart that could let us to take the position in the favor of the weekly bread bottom. Is on the intraday charts, maybe we'll get some dynamic patterns or some other patterns that will be formed on the hourly time frame chart that will let us to make even shorter trades. Maybe some kind of that is based on this most recent thrust. That's also possible. Maybe we will be able to pass from these shorter trades to the more extended setups. I think that and expect that gold market probably will give us some patterns on the coming week. That's my thought, and I think that we have to watch over the gold market very close on the next week.